Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Principal Olympics for the Act of God closure days. We're here for day one of the Principal Olympics decathlon, the floor hockey shootout. We're here on Dr. McMahon's home ice here at Morton West High School. We're about to see how many goals Dr. McMahon and Mr. Gamboa can score off the stone wall goalie, Morty.
There's Morty.
And here comes Morty into the gym, getting ready to warm up for this first event in the Principal Olympics, the floor hockey shootout. You can tell Morty's a pro. He's got the goalie pads and the glove. Oh, look at those splits.
And this is where it's going to take place, ladies and gentlemen. We are almost there. Here we go.
All right, we're going to get started with Dr. McMahon. He'll be the first up to shoot. As soon as Morty gets himself adjusted here, we will be underway. And here comes McMahon with his first shot. Oh, the first one right through the wickets, off Morty's tail and into the net. I think Morty thought he saved that one. Here comes shot number two. Shot number two, and it's a save. Look at Morty with the kick save and a beauty. Still one goal for McMahon. Shot three, oh, right in. Morty had no chance against that one. That was a powerful shot there by Dr. McMahon. And there's another save off the pad. And he fires another quick one and a save. And there's a, looks like that one went in. That was goal number three. Another shot by McMahon. And it's blocked. Morty traps it in the pillow. And another one blocked.
It's in this pillow.
Morty's a wall here in this first round against McMahon. Pads are getting a little disheveled here. And after he's sort of adjusted, here comes the next shot. And it looks like another kick save by Morty. Only 3 goals so far for McMahon. Oh, there's goal number 4. Morty lost his glove there. Looks like he's ready to go again. And that last shot goes in. Looks like McMahon ended up with 4 goals there. That second to last one did not go in. Morty trying to gather himself for this next round against Mr. Gamboa. Shot number 1. Oh.
That's a goal.
And Gamboa fires a goal in his first shot off Morty.
Truesdale, move over.
He's already 1 for 1 in this round. Lines up his second shot. Sends Morty to reposition himself. And that's 2 in a row for Gamboa. Morty struggling off the bat here against him. And that looks like goal number 3. Morty really having a tough time here in the second round, trying to defend the net against Mr. Gamboa. There's a save by Morty. Sacrificed the body to block that one. Trying to get himself together here. And that's goal number 4. Morty had no chance on that shot. And there's another goal. Gamboa just scoring at will now. Morty looks like he must be getting tired out. Looks like there's a save.
6 out of 8.
And it looks like Gamboa is going to be up with 6 goals to 4 now, so he will take this first round of the Principal Olympics today.
7 out of 10.
And that last shot makes 7.
We want to thank you for tuning in for the first episode of the Principal Olympics, where Mr. Gamboa trashed Dr. McMahon in floor hockey shootout by a score of 7-4. We'll see you next time for the second event in the Principal Olympics. Take care, everybody, and good night. And be safe. And don't touch your face.
Don't touch it.